From the outset of her studies, Chloe has displayed a natural aptitude for motor vehicle mechanics, quickly grasping complex concepts and applying them with remarkable precision. Her practical work is executed with a level of proficiency well beyond her current qualification, often rivaling that of more advanced students. Her keen problem-solving abilities, attention to detail, and willingness to take on challenges have set her apart as a standout student. Beyond her technical abilities, Chloe exhibits a strong work ethic, enthusiasm too. She consistently goes above and beyond in both practical and theoretical aspects of her learning. She seeks additional knowledge and actively engages with instructors and peers to deepen their own understanding. Chloe's journey has not been without challenges, yet she approaches every task with a positive mindset and unwavering focus, always striving for improvement. What makes Chloe truly exceptional is her humility and willingness to support others. She shares her knowledge generously, inspiring and uplifting those around her. Her attitude, talent, and dedication make her a powerful ambassador for the faculty and for women in engineering. Chloe's story is one of perseverance, excellence, and potential, and we have no doubt she will go on to make a significant contribution to CWA and the industry.